Then topic that we will discuss in this video is what microbes as biofertilizers. Microbes as biofertilizer means what? uh, Microbes are act as a biofertilizer, and they enrich the soil with nutrients. Microbes are what? Like bacteria, fungi, cyanobacteria. They act as biofertilizer, and by their microbial activity in the soil, they enrich that soil with so many type of nutrients that are required and that are useful for in agricultural practices. In this sequence, the very first example is we have studied in our previous classes also, and in this video we will also discuss is that in legume plant there is a presence in the roots of legume plant. In the roots of legume plant there is a presence of a particular bacteria, and that bacteria is what? Rhizobium. That bacteria is what? Rhizobium. Rhizobium is what, this is a legume plant. In the roots, the legume plants means pea plant or beans plant. In the roots of these plants there are some nodules, and these nodules possessing these rhizobium bacteria. This rhizobium bacteria is nitrogen fixative bacteria. This rhizobium is what? A kind of nitrogen fixative bacteria that convert free atmospheric nitrogen into a organic matter. Means, you know, inside the soil there is air, and inside the air there is free nitrogen. That nitrogen is further trapped by the bacteria that are present in the nodules of these roots. And when the nodules when the bacteria that's supposed to trap the nitrogen gas, when with the activity of this rhizobium bacteria, this nitrogen is converted into either NO2, NO3, or ammonium ion. So this is what the conversion of free nitrogen into nitrogenous organic matter that further supposed to absorb by the roots of plant for their vital purposes or for the purpose for making food or photosynthesis. Because roots cannot absorb this free nitrogen, means nitrogen that are present in gaseous form. So this is what a kind of symbiotic association in between the rhizobium bacteria and these plants. Somehow they help to each other, somehow they get mutual benefit from each other. So in this way, what we know, the very first example we have discussed in legume plant, presence of rhizobium bacteria. Other example is what? The other example of bacteria is what? Azotobacter or Azospirillum. They present in free condition. They are free inside the soil, and they freely convert atmospheric nitrogen into solid nitrogen. Solid nitrogen, I told you earlier, जैसे like ammonium or nitrate or nitrite. So in this way, when this azotobacter or azospirillum bacteria, which are present freely inside the soil, they convert atmospheric nitrogen into solid nitrogen or organic nitrogen. Then it is further enriched the soil and used by the crops that are supposed to grow in that soil. Then other is what? There is a fungi. There is a fungi name is mycorrhiza. There is a fungi named mycorrhiza. It is also very important because this mycorrhizal fungi also work in a symbiotic association. Symbiotic association means what? I told you earlier that the relationship in between two different organisms, and in this relationship, both the organisms get benefit from each other. So this mycorrhizal fungi is present in the soil where the type of plant grow. Type of plant means what? Generally, what happened? Some plants are not able to absorb the minerals or nutrients from the soil. Some plants, with the help of their roots, are not able to absorb the mineral, especially like phosphorus or other nutrient with the help of their roots, because they are insoluble, or maybe they are of large size. So what happened? This mycorrhizal fungi help them to absorb this phosphorus or other minerals. It make uh, it make convenient the absorption of phosphorus or other minerals with the by their fungal activity. And after the completion of this activity, plant can absorb phosphorus or other mineral. So for their photosynthetic purpose or for their food making purpose. So this mycorrhizal fungi is very helpful, and it also acts as biofertilizer. Then, guys, I earlier discussed cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is also present in aquatic ecosystem as well as in terrestrial ecosystem, and they are also known for nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, it means what? The conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into organic nitrogenous form like nitrate, nitrite, or ammonia. So this is what the importance of some microbes uh, in a form. They act as biofertilizer. So uh, we should uh, we should supposed to increase the use of these biofertilizer, means bacteria, fungi, or cyanobacteria, because they are not supposed to create side effect, as the side effect is done by insecticide, pesticide, herbicides, and weedicides. Weedicides that are supposed to remove the weeds from the soil somehow, and fertilizers also. So all these chemicals somehow create the harm toward the soil, toward the crop product, or toward the human being, also directly or indirectly. So we are means farmers are supposed to increase the use of microbe as biofertilizer. Thank you.